On today's video, we're gonna see which side's gonna win, Gator Taters or smoked apple pie baked beans. Let's get to cooking. What we have here is a bunch of red taters, already cooked, shredded cheese, bacon, homemade ranch dressing, and SPG. Into the cast iron, we're gonna go, put it on the Traeger, cook it till it's done, and on this side, we have smoked apple pie baked beans. Now, this is my wife's recipe, so it's bad. If for those of you that have never used apple pie in your baked beans, hey, this is next level. I'm telling you, this is professional right here. But you don't want to just dump them in here. This is a 16-ounce can. So first, let's just get them chopped. We're going to be cooking in cast iron too. We got this on Amazon. This is a little handheld chopper. Oh, come on, man. Boom! Look at that. Just like that. So let's get the beans mixed up. Sauteed onions. And don't worry about this, writing this recipe down. We'll have it all down in the description. Mustard. A little bit of ketchup. This is what really makes the recipe. This is our comp sauce. If you don't have any, use whatever sauce you like. Burton Bear's W sauce. This stuff is amazing. If you haven't tried it, you need to try it. Brown sugar and bacon. Man, I should have had a bigger bowl. And all you do is mixy. These are some of the best baked beans you will ever eat in your friggin' life. I promise you, 0 to hero. Get them transferred over your cast iron onto the Gator Taters. So we're gonna get this mixed up. Wes just informed me this recipe is actually from Gator's Dockside in Tampa, Florida. Shredded cheese. This is the fine shredded cheese. You can use the coarse. We just bought it in the package, so it has all the dustings on it. It really only scares me if I'm using it in something that's gonna melt and or something I need cheese pull. A ton of ranch dressing. Homemade ranch dressing at that. Bacon. Probably should have put more bacon in there. I'm glad we have extra of these. Now, these are gonna go on the Traeger as well, but you could actually serve this, you know, cold. Just like a Gator Tater salad. All right, we gotta taste that. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. All right, Gator Taters. Who's gonna be the judge? A bit of SPG? So all we really gotta do from here is put them on the Traeger. It's running at 275, hickory pellets in it. That's what I'm using today. It's gonna take about 45 minutes and then we can test them and see who won. Shut the door, walk away. All we're trying to do right now is just heat it up. All right, so it's been about 45 minutes. Taters are looking awesome. We're gonna pull them off. Now we taste test. All right, so it's been right at 45 minutes. These look and smell amazing. I think I'm gonna judge these first, but then I'm gonna make a couple plates and nobody wants to be on camera, so I'll let them shout out their answers. I'm going beans first. Freaking things are probably nuclear hot. You can't go wrong with them. And if you take that apple and puree it and put it in there, nobody's gonna guess what it is. All right, I'm looking for a good one. Right?
A little high.
They're both really good. Actually, I think the Gator Taters would have been better cold. We'll see what they think. I'll give you guys just a little. You can't take all damn day. They're good. I think they're gonna be better cold though, man. That's just me. All right. What do you think? Miss Cos? Now pick one.
I'm gonna pick the potatoes.
Potatoes? Jen?
Potato.
Beans.
Beans?
Yeah.
We got a tie. Because I'm going beans too. I think the beans are better than the taters. Don't get me wrong, the potatoes are freaking phenomenal. I just don't think ranch dressing hot is that appealing. Wes, you wanna be the tiebreaker? All right, you get to be the tiebreaker. This all hinges on you.
Oh, great. No pressure. I have to say, I'm not big on baked beans usually. Those are pretty good though.
That was pretty damn
But you
good.
can taste that apple pie in there.
Yeah.
It's not too forward. It's just
Right.
like,
If you didn't know it was in there though,
well, it makes your breath smell like apple pie.
this is all on you.
I knew I would like that, no matter what. I was gonna like that. But I like those, and I don't typically like beans, so I think that means the beans.
Beans win.
Beans win.
I'm telling you though, these Gator Taters are phenomenal.
Real good.
Cold, lights out. If they were cold,
Game over.
the beans don't stand a chance in my opinion.
I'm gonna eat them anyway.
Well, hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you want this recipe, head on over to cosmosq.com or down in the comments and the description. Print it off for yourself and make it. Believe you me, you will be happy. Peace. See who won.
From Mississippi, there.
See who won. See who won.
Taters.
You got Gary on the other side of the cul-de-sac running his pie hole about how good his beans are. Gary's wife be giving you a kiss on cheek. Probably have to run her off with a mop. Take a bite. You gotta test it. Piece of bacon. The ranch has got me jacked up. Need another bite.
This gator wrestling food that this is. You got to carb up. Protect yourself.
I hope it doesn't burn my face off.